Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a file or folder to Mega Cloud step by step. Uploading files to Mega lets you securely store them and access them from anywhere, so let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the Mega website. Then, sign in to your Mega account. Once you're signed in, open your cloud drive. To upload a single file, click the Upload button. Then select File Upload. Choose the file you want to upload. Next, click Open. Mega will start uploading your file automatically. If you want to upload an entire folder, click the Upload button again. Then select Folder Upload. Choose the folder you want to upload. Next, click Select Folder. Wait for the upload to finish. Once the upload is complete, your file or folder will appear in your cloud drive. You can now open, download, or share it anytime. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a file or folder to Mega Cloud. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more cloud storage tutorials and tips. See you in the next one.